Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you mini haul, try on drugstore. So this is drugstore products that I am trying out for the first time. Some of them are new out there and some of them I think they've been around, but I think most of them are pretty new. So I'm gonna try them out with you guys and you guys let me know what you think. What if you guys tried them before, what you think about them, and which ones do you recommend. Get started and show you what I got. Okay guys. So things I got at Walmart were the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Makeup. So I've been wanting to try this makeup and I have not been able to find it. So I'm excited that I found it. So we're gonna try this out. And the color I got is the, where is the color? Oh, 130 Buff Beige. So let's hope that it's my color. So we're gonna start off by using I'm gonna use this Rosewater Refreshing Facial Mist by Heritage Store. And if you guys wanna try out the other Heritage Store products, I'm gonna link the link down below. This is so hydrating. I love the way it makes my skin feel. And I use it before I apply my makeup and after. So we're gonna do that. And now we're gonna try the foundation. Okay, so this foundation, you gotta click a lot before it gets up to the top at the beginning because it's new. So I don't know. I'm gonna use my brush because I don't see myself putting it on with that sponge. It doesn't cover a lot. So this is the coverage so you guys can see one side and the other side. I feel like that is very minimal and very natural. So this is the coverage before I put concealer on, and it's very light, nothing like dramatic or anything. And I feel that it kind of sits on top so you can kind of see my pores. And then at Ulta, I got the NYX concealer. This is like, I guess, really popular right now, so I'm gonna be using that. And I got the color Vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I have a little dark spot right here that I'm gonna, this feels really nice and hydrating. I'm gonna use it as my shadow base. I think I could see myself using this concealer. It feels nice and hydrated. Brighten me up a little bit. So we're gonna do, I always like to do the face first, just because I feel like I'm finished when I do the face. So we're gonna try the powder. And this is the Butter Buddies Illuminating Powder. So super cute packaging. I'm a sucker for packaging. It has a little bit of a coconut scent. Kind of gives that a white cast. Oh no, 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 no. I don't know if I like that. It smells nice, it feels nice, but I feel like it gives me a white cast. Yeah, it makes me look ghosty. I'm gonna have to put another powder on. I don't know if I like it. Oh no. So I had to put like a loose powder over it because it gave me a really bad white cast and I did not like the way it looked. So now we're gonna try the Physicians Formula Matte Monoi Butter Bronzer. And this is the matte bronzer. It just says Monoi Butter Bronzer. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. So cute, super cute. Yeah, it's pretty. Put a little bit here. Feels really buttery. I think that's what this collection is supposed to feel like. Buttery, soft, almost like creamy. Not bad. It's very natural. I kind of like it for like a natural look. I totally forgot to use the e.l.f. Cookies and Cream lip scrub. So it's a little on the hard side, but I guess it's meant to be to be a scrub, right? So I'll leave it on and then I'll wipe it off before I put lipstick on. And I just thought about it. I didn't buy lipstick. Or let it sit there. It's blue. I look dead. All right, so we're gonna try on the e.l.f. Shadow stick. So no budge shadow stick, and the name is called Magnetic Pull. I think that's the name. There's a number for it, 81672, and this is what it looks like. I love these. I love them with a lot of the brands. So let's go ahead and let me clean my lids. It's a little bit light, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use it like a base almost, and I'm gonna do it under here like a shadow, like a eyeliner. So it's super light. I was expecting it to be more like the actual container, but it's nice and buttery. It almost looks gray. Yeah, for sure it looks gray. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just using it as a base, and then I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild palette to put on top of it. I'm gonna use this color here. It's a light color, almost like a base color. Just, oh, it has a shimmer. I don't really like to use shimmer on the brow bone. Oh well. I'll be honest with you guys. I'm very picky when it comes to drugstore makeup, because you never know what you're gonna get. And it's kind of, it's like you're guessing. For sure, you're guessing. Okay, so I am going to do this color here as the crease color. Very light. You can't really see it. This scrub feels really nice. It almost feels like the Dior one once it melts. And the price, you can't beat it. Okay, so we are going to do the this other color here. It's like a mauve. I'm gonna use my finger for it to warm it up, and I will be using that in the middle right here. Oh, how pretty. It brings out the e.l.f. color. That's pretty, very natural. All right, so I'm gonna darken it up a little bit, and I'm gonna use a brown color here. Not a very strong pigment, but it shows. I'm gonna bring a little bit down here. Very light, not a big strong pigmentation. Now I'm gonna use the brown liner, and I'm gonna put it on the tight line. So this is like a red, it's like a brown red. It's more it looks reddish, not like a deep brown. So I think I'm gonna add some on the bottom too, because my eyes look tired. These colors, if they're not strong, like the pigmentation is not strong, my eyes look tired. Yeah, this is a brown red. It makes my eyes look like if I have a pink eye. I'm gonna go get my regular brown from Essence, because I don't like the way this brown looks. So I'm gonna use this Essence Long Lasting eyeliner in brown. These are my favorite eyeliners. I have the brown one and the black one, and I love them. As you can see, look at the difference. So dark. So much better. Now we're gonna try this eyebrow pencil. It's a pencil and brow gel in one. I'm not a fan of these type of eyebrow pencils. I feel they're too thick. It doesn't have a spoolie. Let me see if I have a spoolie here with mine. I don't think I do. Ugh, I don't. Okay, let's just do it. Just do it. As y'all know, I have a favorite eyebrow pencil and I don't change. Not bad. The color's not that bad. A little on the darker side for me. And I forgot to mention, the color for this is the, what color is this? Natural brown. I'm not gonna use the gel because I have thick enough eyebrows, and I feel that when you use the gel, it makes your eyebrows look super thick. I think the eyebrows are great for like, the gels are great for like on days. Oh, not bad. This is super cute, super small. Let's see. Not bad. Okay, maybe I will. Maybe I will. To get them. Oh, I kind of like this. Not that dark, because some of them like come out super dark. I do get my eyebrows done. They're getting long. I like it. Not bad. I actually like the way I gave my eyebrows shape. So now we are going to do, I'll do mascara last because like I said, I forgot to grab, I'm trying to think if I have any here. I think I do. I forgot to grab my mascara. So I'm gonna go grab it in a minute because I have two vanities. One where I do my videos and one in my room. So I don't have everything in both of them. So let's do the blush. We're actually gonna do the highlighter first. So we're gonna do this. Oh, so pretty. I like it. Okay. And now we're gonna do the blush. I think I'm a little overboard over here. I don't have any product on the brush. It's just to blend it out. Really pretty. Okay, so that's a pretty blush. All right, so now I feel like I'm missing something. I think I have everything. I'm going to, oh, this melted, like it melted, it's gone. So I need mascara, and you know what? I just remembered, I did buy a mascara. I just gotta find it. I buy things and then I put them away because I'm gonna do a video and then I forget. Okay, let me look for the mascara. I found it. Yay! So it's the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Let's try it out. So it has a regular brush, thin brush. So let's try this baby out. So far, it's lengthening my lashes. Not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna put another coat. Hopefully it doesn't flake. That's the only reason why I don't use drugstore mascaras, because I feel like they flake. Which is your favorite drugstore mascara that doesn't flake and it gives you volume and it doesn't clump? I know I'm sounding very picky, but I am. I rather pay the price and I, love the mascara than have a mascara that's gonna flake and get in my eyes because I wear contacts and clump. I can't stand it. So far, this freaking made my eyelashes look huge. Okay, I actually really like this mascara. My lashes look really long and pretty. You guys, this scrub, I freaking love it. I am loving that it melted. I don't feel it, and my lips feel so hydrated. I am gonna wipe off or tap off so I can do the lips. So since I didn't buy a lipstick, I'm gonna try this as a lipstick and see how it looks. It's gonna be very ashy, but just give me a minute. Okay, not bad, a little bit ashy, but now I'm gonna grab some of the blush. Oh my God, just made a new lipstick. All right, so what do you guys think? Not bad, huh? Oh yeah, woo! New lipstick. All right, so don't have lipstick? Use your eyeshadow. Use a gloss and your eyeshadow, and that's how you... So this is the result I got from all the products that I purchased for new products from Drugstore products that came out. I think most of them are new. Some of them I think been around, but I wanted to try some out since I haven't done some in a while. So I figured I'd try some out. I'm actually happy with the mascara. The eyes turned out really pretty. The makeup, I'm gonna wear it out, see how it does. And of course, I don't have a lipstick, but this will do. The eyeliner I did not like. I didn't like the color. I'm actually happy with the brows. I think I'm gonna use this a lot cheaper. I actually love it. So what do you guys think? Let me know your input. I'm actually happy with the concealer too. The foundation, I'm still iffy about it, but I'm actually really excited. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram because I do giveaways every month. Thank you, guys, and we'll see you on my next video. Bye. Take care.